Hello everyone, I'm Layman with MI Windows and Doors, and welcome to another episode of Know Your Window. As most people in the fenestration industry will tell you, double-hung vinyl new construction windows are one of the best investments you can make, offering both versatility and easy maintenance that today's customers are really looking for in a window. Our 1556 double-hung window offers an effective way to maximize ventilation and enhance the value of your home. The 1556 double-hung vinyl new construction window offers crafted features that provide exceptional durability, energy efficiency, and ease of installation. Featuring a stylish beveled exterior profile, true sloped sill, tilt-in sashes, as well as optional exterior paint and brick mold accessory, the 1556 is an aesthetically pleasing window that offers enhanced curb appeal for any newly built home. The 1556 double hung is available in white and almond, both inside and out, along with 8 exterior paint options with either a white or almond interior finish, giving you a wide range of custom looks to meet the current design trends. The 1556 comes with an extruded pre-punched nailing fin, allowing the window to be attached to the rough opening in a new construction application. The optional integral J-channel is available for applications where siding will be used. We also offer optional factory-installed brick mold and casing, adding to the enhanced curb appeal of the window. The 1556 is designed for performance with multi-chamber mainframe and vinyl webbing to increase rigidity and strength, while assisting with improving the thermal efficiency of the overall window unit. The welds are fusion welded, exceeding test requirements, and cleaned with state-of-the-art robotic cleaners for a consistent, low-profile weld. The sill design is a combination featuring a 5-degree slope and a deflection shield, which is the upstanding leg on the sill to reduce sash deflection and bowing during a storm. The 5-degree slope sill promotes easy water shedding away from the exterior facade with offset runoffs. The screen in your window should improve your relationship with nature, not impede it. With the flex screen, you can leave your windows open and enjoy the sight, sound, and breeze of nature while keeping pests out. Flex screen is barely visible, so you do not need to sacrifice the beauty of your 1556 double-hung window or the outside view for the functionality of a screen. Flex screens are standard, and its simple design makes it easy to install and remove while remaining concealed in the screen pocket. Installing the flex screen on the 1556 couldn't be any easier. You simply squeeze the sides in till the top and bottom bow a little bit, slide them into their channels, and release. And remove it, it's just as easy. Pull in the sides on both sides, squeeze, and remove. For peace of mind, the locks and keepers are low profile and recessed, allowing you to see the view and not the parts and pieces that make up the window. Dual opposing locks are standard on all of our windows 24 1/8 inches and wider, providing better performance and a unified seal in the center, reducing the chances of sash racking over time. For convenience, the lock indicator is embossed on the top of the lock, signifying what direction to lock the window. Easy to use night latches and window operating control devices, or WOCDs, are available, perfect for ventilation and peace of mind. The top and bottom sash come together at the full-length interlock. The interlock is reinforced to add rigidity and strength. Unlike other products, the interlock is not notched out at the locks, providing a more efficient seal when in the lock position. One of the most remarkable things about the 1556 is how truly versatile it is. For cleaning, all you have to do is lift, pull in the tabs, and you can drop the sash. To remove the sash completely, you simply tilt up on one side and remove it from the balances. Now the same can be done for the top sash, giving you a full pass-through for new construction. The tilt sash allows for easy cleaning and ventilation of both top and bottom. Plenty of weather stripping wherever vinyl touches vinyl, along with a double compression polypropylene bulb seal that's UV resistant and ensures a tight seal when in the lock position. The inverted constant force balance system allows for safe sash cleaning while providing a quiet and smooth operation when raising and lowering your sash. The state-of-the-art balance system requires less operating force while providing strength and versatility on bigger sized windows, such as windows with offset sashes or windows using triple pane or tempered glass. The coated stainless steel coils resist corrosion and enhance long-term functionality. Most importantly, the coils are encased in a plastic box, protecting them from dust, dirt, and construction debris. In conjunction with the balance system, the patent-pending detent clip makes the 1556 the double hung of choice for builders and homeowners who want the peace of mind that their top sash will not drift and will stay in the closed position. Simply push the top sash up till you hear the click, and you know your top sash is engaged in the proper position. The 1556 double hung offers many energy-efficient glass packages. Low E argon meets the northern climate zone requirements for Energy Star. High performance argon meets the criteria for Energy Star in the south and south central zones. Upgraded glass packages include triple pane, geared towards homeowners in the north, and Cardinal 340, geared towards homeowners in the south. Optional privacy glass packages are available, such as rain or obscure glass, perfect for a bathroom window or front door sidelight. Finally, there are glass packages designed for isolating outside noise, such as offset glass or laminated glass. For a more custom touch, we have numerous grid sizes and patterns available on the 1556 series. Grids are decorative and fixed inserts that add a traditional and personal touch. Grids can either reside between the glass in our double pane windows or on the outside of the glass for a more historic look. The perfect window grid pattern is often the final touch in creating the ideal aesthetic of your home. We offer grids in pre-designed styles as well as customized patterns upon request. Whether you prefer the early American look of colonial grid windows or want to customize the window grid style to something unique, we can help you find the grids that fit your vision for your windows and doors. Placing either a flat or sculpted grid between the glass panes of the window's insulated glass unit, you get the style of a traditional grid. The 1-inch SDL gives you the beauty of a historic grid pattern with all the convenient benefits of a monolithic insulated glass unit. Finally, the newly added 2-inch SMR, commonly used if egress is a concern, but you want to maintain the look of double hungs or sliders in your home, consider a casement with a simulated meeting rail, which is also available on picture windows. Patterns include colonial, perimeter, diamond, and the Queen Anne or drop pattern. Grids are color matched or two-tone for exterior paints with white interior. The 1556 double hung vinyl new construction window is available now for your next new construction or project build. If you're interested in the 1556, please contact your local MI representative or authorized MI dealer. I certainly hope you found this video informative as well as helpful, and until next time, I'll see you on the other side of the glass.